We're very pleased to offer this lovely Vauxhall Grandland 1.2 turbo petrol 130 PS Griffin Edition. And the Griffin is a special edition with some lovely 18-inch diamond cut alloys. Also got a foot gesture control tailgate, which will just come to here. You show you a quick left foot volley. We'll bring the tailgate up. There's the boot area. You'll see I've got the seat there already. 60-foot split the rear seats, and a good sized family boot there. Take you up to the top. Power close. So on the near side of the vehicle first, so just take you for a close up of the alloys. These 18-inch diamond cut alloys, all in excellent condition. And now just walk down the near side of the car. Come to the near side front view. Finish in lovely dark ruby red metallic, contrasting black sills and wheel arches. Show you the bonnet. See there, no real chips or marks, in excellent condition. The offside fronts, as I mentioned before, keyless entry. Let's just jump in the vehicle, just take you through some of the goodies. So we've got electric windows front and rear, heated electric mirrors which are folding as well. See the interior trim, all in lovely condition. Let's just jump in and we'll work our way across. So we've got auto lights and auto wipers. Okay, we'll just start the vehicle up on the push button here. We'll get the clutch in. Okay, you can see that it's due a service. Trip computer, all bits and bobs, digital readouts, lane departure warning. As you can see, the car's done just under 19,000 miles. All cruise control, all the controls here for your volume, for your Bluetooth and your radio and so on. Now I've got my phone plugged in already. You'll see there I've got my phone loaded with all the Google Maps and bits and bobs. Go back to the main menu, all your podcasts, all your talk sports. If I take that out and go back to the car's main menu, it's got sat nav, the standard, full DAB radio, Bluetooth as you expect. Okay, as we work our way down, we've got dual zone climate control there, air conditioning. A little bit further down you'll see charging socket and USB. It is a 6-speed manual car. Okay, as we work our way across as well, you'll see all the service history, port pack, all service history, been done twice, and it's due another one, which we will do, and we will MOT the vehicle as well on purchase. Okay, we'll just come out for one last look. Now we do offer a nationwide delivery. The car, as I mentioned, will come serviced, MOT'd with a 6-month RAC nationwide warranty. If you'd like to know more about this car, give himself Tom on 01507 602222 or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.